Alcohol. Alcohol is an organic compound that carries at last one hydroxyl functional group. Carry OH. Compound, organic compound, carry OH group. Bonded to saturated carbon atom. Saturated carbon atom. That means this OH bonded to this carbon atom bind with other carbon atom, but with single bond, not double bond, not triple bond. Its functional group OH. OH, the functional group. All reactions of alcohol depend on this OH group. Its formula CnH2n plus 2O. Or structure ROH. As you know, R is alkyl groups. R alkyl groups. But not, you will using this sample IR, aryl groups. Aryl group is benzene minus one hydrogen atom. For that, its formula C6H5. H5. Water molecules contain oxygen and two hydrogen atoms. When one hydrogen atom replace one hydrogen atom with alkyl groups, form ROH called alcohol. Alcohol. When one hydrogen atom of water replaced with alkyl group, the compound that produce called alcohol. But when one hydrogen atom replaced with aryl groups, aryl as you say before, aryl is benzene group minus one hydrogen atom called ROH. This is called phenol. OH2 benzene rings. But when the molecule of water, two hydrogen atoms replace both hydrogen atoms with two aryl groups, with two alkyl groups, R or R, or with one alkyl group, one aryl group, one alkyl group, one aryl group, or with two aryl groups, aryl, or. This compounds called ethers. Alcohols can be classified into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. When the OH group of alcohol bind to carbon, but this carbon bind to one alkyl groups called primary alcohol. When OH group of alcohol bind to carbon atoms, carry two alkyl groups, this will name it secondary alcohol. But when OH of alcohol bind to carbon, carry three alkyl groups, this is called tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Naming of alcohol. Two types of naming. Then a general name. For that, name of alkyl, and name of alcohol. For that, C, methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol or butyl alcohol. Look, butyl, alkyl, ethyl, methyl, also alkyl. All that alkyl alcohol. This CH2 double bond CH is called allele with this CH2 double bond, double bond CH2. All this called allele. Allele with OH, alcohol. Called allele, alcohol. This group and with name of alcohol. This new. When the carbon atoms with four bind 4 alkyl groups. 4 alkyl groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and binding to OH. This is called new bentyl alcohol. New bentyl alcohol. Cyclo in the general is called cyclohexane. But when one hydrogen replaced by OH is converted to hexyl alcohol. According to IUPAC system for the naming, in this name of alkane, ethane. Replace the E in the end of words and put ol. Ethane. Replace the E and add ol. Ethanol. Cyclohexane without this cyclohexane. But when add OH, this E hexane will remove E and add ol. Cyclohexanol. According to IUPAC, we will remember from the side where OH group must take the last number for that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Naming the substitute group is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This substitute group for that 4 methyl, 2 hexanol, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexanol. This example called alcohol with double bond. For that double bond will be meth, propene. But OH take the number 1. Will be 1, 4 alcohol. 2, the number of the double bond. 2, the number of the double bond. 2 propene. 1 for alcohol, OL. We write OL. For that 2 1 OL. Notes that's when the double bond or triple bond is part of parent change. The hydroxyl group is given the lowest number. For that lowest number 1, take this lowest number. Preparing of alcohol. Alcohol can be preparing from addition of H2O to the double bond of alkene. This reaction named hydration of alkene. Addition of H2O, addition H2O to the double bond. But we must be using H plus, maybe H2SO4 as the catalyst to form alcohol. The second reaction is reduction of carboxyl group. Carboxyl group of aldehyde or ketone can be reduction to form alcohol. C. Aldehyde can be reduction by 8H2O, H here, and another H here to form alcohol by using PT in this reaction. But when using ketone, look to this aldehyde have one hydrogen free, but ketone have no hydrogen free. Ketone with H2O with PT, well, add hydrogen to this or and here to form alcohol. But tertiary alcohol, not reaction. Reactions of alcohol. Reactions of alcohol. Dehydration, removal of hydrogen to form the double bond. Alcohol react with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 to eliminate molecule of water to form alkene, as shown by this reaction. Look, this hydrogen and this hydrogen remove. This hydrogen removed. This hydrogen removed with this OH group to releasing H2O and form the double bond by using H2SO4. Look in this reaction. H2O, one hydrogen from here removed and OH group from here removed to form double bond. And releasing H2O by the elimination reaction or dehydration, remove H2O. In this reaction, OH will be removed, and this H of hydrogen or from here removed to form that double bond and releasing H2O. Ester formation. Alcohol may be formed ester. You know ester, what ester? Ester is carboxyl group, 1 to alkyl groups. Alcohol react with carboxylic acid. In the carboxylic acid, this hydrogen H will replace by this R group to form RCOOR, called ester. The alcohol react with carboxylic acid in the presence of strong acid catalyst to form class or kind or type of compounds called ester. The general equation, alcohol react with carboxylic acid as acetic acid, carboxylic acid. So this H come here and H2O, this H with this OH will remove to form RCOOR. Also alcohol can react with phosphoric acid to form this phosphoric acid. Look, one hydrogen of phosphoric acid will remove from R that comes from alcohol to form alkyl phosphate. Alkyl, maybe methyl phosphate, or maybe ethyl phosphate, or maybe propyl phosphate. Oxidation. The production of oxidation of alcohol depends on the structure of the alcohol. Primary alcohol are first oxidized to aldehyde. See, the primary alcohol give us aldehyde, which are further oxidation to carboxylic acid. In the first, primary alcohol oxidize to aldehyde. Then aldehyde will oxidize to carboxylic acid. Secondary alcohol oxidize to form ketone only. But tertiary alcohol are not easily oxidized. See the secondary primary alcohol in oxidation. One hydrogen from O that binding with OH will remove. One hydrogen from that carbon that's carry OH, one hydrogen will remove this or this to form aldehyde. The functional group here CO, but in here OH. This one aldehyde oxidized will form carboxylic acid. The secondary, one hydrogen will remove and O and H, that's H carried by O, will remove to form ketone. See this is the oxidation by KMnO4 and KOH catalyze KMnO4 to form aldehyde. When the aldehyde then oxidation to carboxylic acid. In this secondary alcohol are using K2Cr2O7 H2SO4 as the catalyst will form ketone. Will called acetone. Thank you.